What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add images and media to your Substack post. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in substack.com. Then you will be redirected to this landing page of Substack. So if you are new to Substack, on the right side, you will see the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Substack, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply click on it and then click on new post. After that, click on text post, and from here you need to add the title, and then here you can add the subtitle, and from here you can start writing your content. So now if you want to add media like an image, you can see the option of you can see the icon of this image. Click on it and then you can click on add image to add an image on your post. And if you want to add a video, you can see this video icon. Simply click on it and then click on upload, or you can record a video and then upload it. Or if you already have a video saved on your computer storage, click on upload and then upload from your computer. And after the video is uploaded here, click on insert, so the video will be inserted. And after that, when you are done, click on continue. And after clicking on continue, you will see the type of audience that you want. If you want to allow the comments from everyone, you can even select the tags by just typing them, and you can upload a profile photo like this one for this post, and you can even edit it later. And then you can choose the delivery, like you want to deliver email via email and the Substack app now, and if you want to schedule time to email and publish it later. After that, when you are done, click on send to everyone now. And if you want to add the subscribe button, you can click on add subscribe button. But if you don't want, just simply click on publish without buttons, and then your post will be finally published with the image and the videos that you have inserted in it. That is how you can add your images and media into your Substack post. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.